Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back now. I'm going to try my best to come back to you guys and come upload videos. Just my computer's down right now, so I'm going to do this from my phone. Anyways, I'm coming to you with a nice wig review. And the wig I purchased is a synthetic unit, but it's been all over TikTok, all over YouTube, everywhere, which is called the Perfect Hairline. So this is a synthetic unit. I got the color number 1. It is a 13 by 6 frontal, and it is big head friendly, which I love for us girls with our big heads. Okay, this is how it looks. It has a transparent lace. It is a true 13 by 6, and it stretches back. Okay guys, so this Perfect Hairline is called, I think it's called Everett, out the box, so you can see what it actually looks like. So this is how the hair comes in the packaging. Take it out. It has a hairnet on it. Look at these beautiful, beautiful curls. So pretty. And it's a transparent lace, and it comes with baby hairs and an elastic band, which I love that they have in here for this wig unit. So this is a closer up of the knots. As you can see, the knots are very, very small, and it makes them melt a lot easier. If you want to know about this hair, check out my TikTok video. I will definitely link it down below if you want to see a tutorial on this hair. So I'm just going to do a little tutorial on installing this wig on my head, and what we're going to do is pluck the unit just to make it a little bit more seamless and install the wig. You don't have to bleach your knots because the knots are very small, but what you can do is take foundation, cream foundation, or powder to tint the lace, or if you have the other tint solutions that you can use, spray the tint, blow dry it, do what you have to do. So thanks guys for my subscribers that's still there. I'm going to do a short tutorial on this hair, get straight to the point, and then install it, and then show pictures of how it looks.
Turn it up, hey.
Plucking on this side so you can just see what the difference is. So I just did a little bit more plucking on this side. As you can see, it's just a little bit more flat and more seamless, versus this side, as you can see, it's more dense. So I'm going to continue doing this plucking method off camera. Guys, if you really want to see a tutorial about me plucking, it's the same as everyone else, and I'll come back and show you how much hair I've plucked out the hair, but it's not too much. You don't want to pluck this hairline too much, but just enough to where it starts to lay flat. So when you hot comb it, it's going to lay flat versus having bulky roots like this. This is how much hair I done plucked out of it.
Turn it up, hey.
Well guys, that concludes my video, my little short tutorial on me installing my wig. Of course, I still need practice, but I think I did okay. I mean, it's not too bad, not too shabby. And you know, the more and more you practice, the better you get. But I definitely love this hair. This hair is very beautiful and silky. It does get a little tangled, so you have to brush it out and fix the curls. I like for the curls to drop naturally, but other than that, I love the hair. And I definitely got it off of Divatress. So if you ever want to look it up, you can. They have multiple wigs on that website. Also, Sam's. Also, you can get a wig at Sam's Beauty Supply, and there's multiple websites you can get these wigs from. So I've just given you my take on it and to show you how I love it and installed it, and it's a nice little frontal hair. Alright guys, once again, thank you for still subscribing to me. I know it's been a while, but we're going to try to get back on track, okay? Try to do more hair videos, and also I'll link my TikTok videos down below. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.